Welcome to this video tutorial on how to start a free trial for the RSP as a service subscription. To begin, visit our homepage at www.simlessly.com and click on Products in the primary menu. Then select RSP from the secondary menu. Alternatively, you can type www.simlessly.com/products/RSP in the address bar. Click on Get Started Free to create your account. You can either use your business email or sign up with your Google account. If you choose the Google account option, simply select your account, and your account will be created instantly. For business email signups, fill out the required fields and follow the instructions for setting up a password. Click Start Free Trial to proceed. Your account is now created and in demo mode. To start the free trial, click on Free Trial at the top of the page. Choose the plan that suits your business model. Visit www.simlessly.com/pricing for more information to help you decide on the right plan. Once you've selected a plan, enter your credit card information to activate your 15-day free trial. To cancel the subscription, click on the Cancel button on the subscription page before the free trial expires. That's all you need to know about subscribing to the free trial. If you have any questions, please contact us using the email address provided at the bottom of each page, or leave feedback by clicking on the icon. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye.